We shall now move on to the next chapter, coordination compounds. CONH3 6 times Cl3 represents a coordination compound. It ionizes as CONH3 6 times 3 plus and 3Cl minus. The oxidation state of ammonia is 0, so that the oxidation number of cobalt will be equal to plus 3. Next we shall discuss about Werner's postulates. The central metal atom or the ion exhibits two types of valencies known as primary valency and secondary valency. Primary valency is ionizable and are satisfied by negative ions. Secondary valency is non-ionizable and it is satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions. Primary valency corresponds to the oxidation number and secondary valency corresponds to the coordination number. Now consider the example given, that is CONH3 6 times Cl3. The central metal ion is cobalt and the primary valency of cobalt is plus 3, which corresponds to the oxidation number of cobalt. The secondary valency corresponds to the coordination number, and in this complex compound, cobalt is bound to 6 ammonia molecules. Therefore, the secondary valency of cobalt in this complex is 6, since it is bound to 6 ammonia molecules. Now consider COCl3,4NH3. This complex gives 1 mole of silver chloride, or 1 mole of silver chloride gets precipitated. This shows that out of the 3 chloride ions present, 1 chloride ion should be present outside the coordination sphere. So we can write the formula of the coordination compound as COCl2NH3 4 times Cl. In this complex, cobalt is bound to 2 chloride ions and 4 ammonia molecules. So total number of molecules or ions attached to cobalt is 6, and hence the secondary valency of cobalt is 6. Consider PtCl2,2NH3. Here in this case, number of moles of silver chloride precipitated is given to be 0, which shows that both the chloride ions are present inside the coordination sphere. So we can write the formula of the complex as PtCl2NH3 twice. 2 chloride ions and 2 ammonia molecules are bound to platinum. Therefore, total number of molecules or ions attached to platinum is 4. Therefore, the secondary valency of platinum is also equal to 4. Next, we shall discuss about certain terms associated with the coordination compounds. Coordination entity, consider COCl3NH3 thrice. The central metal atom or ion present here is cobalt 3 plus. 3 plus is the oxidation number of cobalt in this complex. Next, we shall discuss about ligands. Ligands are either neutral molecules or anions bound to the central metal atom or ion. Various ligands are water, ammonia, En, CO, chloride, bromide, OH minus, etc. Ethane 1,2-diamine is CH2NH2, CH2NH2. Next, we shall discuss about various types of ligands. What is a monodentate ligand? A ligand with one donor atom is known as monodentate ligand. Examples: chloride, water, ammonia. In water, the donor atom is oxygen, whereas in ammonia, the donor atom is nitrogen. If 2 donor atoms are present in the ligand, it will be called as a didentate ligand. Ethane 1,2-diamine is a didentate ligand. 2 nitrogen atoms are present as donor atoms. Now consider EDTA4 minus ion. It is a hexadentate ligand. The donor atoms are 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms. Now what is meant by a chelate ligand? It is a didentate ligand which uses its 2 donor atoms to bind to a single metal ion. Now what are ambidentate ligands? These are ligands which possess 2 different donor atoms. For example, NO2 minus and SCN minus. NO2 minus can use either oxygen atom or either nitrogen atom or oxygen atom to bind to the central metal ion. So it is an ambidentate ligand, since it uses 2 different donor atoms to bind to a central metal atom or ion. Coordination number. Consider the complex ion PtCl6,3 minus. The coordination number of platinum is equal to 6 because 6 chloride ions are bound to platinum. Now consider NiNH3 4 times 2 plus. Since 4 ammonia molecules are bound to nickel, the coordination number is equal to 4. Consider FeC2O4 thrice 3 minus. Oxalate is a didentate ligand, so the coordination number of ion is taken as 6, that is 3 into 2, 6. Consider COEN thrice 3 plus. En is also a didentate ligand. Therefore, coordination number of cobalt will be equal to 6. 3 into 2, 6. Now, what is meant by coordination sphere? The central metal atom or the ion along with fixed number of ligands is known as coordination sphere. For example, consider the complex compound K4FeCN 6 times. The coordination sphere is FeCN 6 times 4 minus and the counter ion is K plus. The complex compound ionizes as 4K plus and FeCN 6 times 4 minus. Next we shall see how to calculate the oxidation number of central atom. For example, consider K4FeCN 6 times. It ionizes as 4K plus and FeCN 6 times 4 minus. Now consider the complex ion FeCN 6 times 4 minus. The oxidation number of Cn is minus 1 and 6 Cn minus ions are present in the complex ion. Therefore, oxidation number of ion can be calculated as equal to plus 2. That is x plus 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. And when we solve, we can get the oxidation number of ion as equal to plus 2. Next, we shall see what are homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes. For example, consider the complex ion CONH3 6 times 3 plus. Here, the metal is bound to one kind of donor groups. So, it is a homoleptic complex. Consider CONH3 4 times Cl2 plus. Here, the metal is bound to more than one kind of donor groups. So, it is a heteroleptic complex. Nomenclature of coordination compounds. Next, we shall see how to name the complex compounds. For example, consider CrNH3 thrice H2O thrice Cl3. It ionizes as CrNH3 thrice H2O thrice 3 plus and 3Cl minus. Ammonia is a neutral ligand and water is also a neutral ligand. Therefore, the oxidation number of both ammonia and water will be 0. The oxidation number of chromium is thus calculated as equal to plus 3. If ammonia is present, it is named as amine, and if water is present, it is named as aqua. The oxidation number of chromium, that is the central metal ion or the atom, should be shown in Roman numerals. So we can write the name of the complex compound as triamine triaqua chromium 3 chloride. Now consider the next compound PTNH3 twice ClNO2. 3 different ligands are attached. Since NO2 is shown as NO2 itself, it shows that the donor atom present in NO2 is nitrogen. The oxidation number of platinum can be calculated as equal to plus 2. The oxidation number of ammonia is 0, that of chloride is minus 1, and that of nitrite NO2 minus is also equal to minus 1. So the complex is named as diamine chlorido-nitritoen platinum 2. Now consider the third example, K3CrC2O4 thrice. It ionizes as 3K plus and CrC2O4 thrice 3 minus. Oxalato is a didentate ligand. The oxidation state of oxalato is minus 2. 3 such ligands are present. Therefore, the oxidation number of chromium can be calculated as equal to plus 3. The compound is therefore named as potassium trioxalato chromate 3. Chromate because in this complex compound, the complex ion is anion. So, if the complex ion comes as anion, the metal should be named as 8. Consider COCl2 En twice Cl. It ionizes as COCl2 En twice plus and Cl minus. The oxidation number of cobalt can be calculated as equal to plus 3. Therefore, the complex is named as dichlorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3 chloride.